In Module 2, you will begin using Microsoft Word application. As part of this module, you navigate the documents, use Word editing tools, and use proofing tools to validate documents. In Module 3, you will progress to more complex Word tasks, such as text and paragraph formatting, addition and editing tables, and cell and how to manage lists. In Module 4, focus on working with Microsoft Word graphs, adding graphs and using images in documents, creating text box, formatting codes, using documents in shapes and improving documents, using complex word art, illustrations, and in Module 5, deal with completion of documents in Microsoft Word. These include reviewing accessibility features, setting storage, controlling the text flow, adding captions and references, adding footnotes, endnotes to links, and more complex tasks such as adding reference bibliographics and furthermore. In Module 6, learn how to collaborate on documents with other teammates. You will explore how to share documents and work with comments, track change, and review documents. Good luck on your Microsoft Word journey and hope so you will learn it.